Ready? Number 11. If they can get away, they will come to see the game. They will have to leave at 2 if they wish to see it. We shall have to pay for the damage to the boat. Money for food was being given to the family monthly. Full stop. Full stop. If we can aid them in any way, we ought to do so. Full stop. It was too cool for bathing at the beach, so they came back to the pool. They will be leaving for Canada on the 10th of the month. They will go to Winnipeg on the 10th. The lady saw a copy of the book looking at Asia. If she can come in to see us, we can show the lady a copy of the book for which she was asking. Full stop.